Hey there car enthusiasts! Are you tired of constantly washing and protecting your car from the elements? Well, you are in luck because we have the perfect solution for you. Today we'll be reviewing the EzyShade10 Layer Waterproof Car Cover, designed to keep your car protected from rain, snow and even hail. The EzyShade car cover boasts an impressive 10-layer construction, providing superior protection against the elements. The top layer is made of a waterproof and breathable material, while the bottom layers are designed to protect against scratches and dents. Additionally, the car cover is equipped with reinforced grommets for added durability and a secure fit. The EzyShade car cover comes in a range of sizes to fit most cars, from compact sedans to large SUVs. It's important to choose the correct size for your car to ensure a snug fit and maximum protection. Installing the EzyShade car cover is a breeze. Simply lay the cover over your car and secure it with the provided tie-down straps. The cover is designed to be easy to put on and take off, making it a convenient option for daily use. Overall, the EzyShade10 Layer Waterproof Car Cover is an excellent choice for car owners who want to protect their cars from the elements. The 10-layer construction provides superior protection against rain, snow, and hail, while the reinforced grommets ensure a secure fit. The car cover is easy to install and remove, making it a convenient option for daily use. While it may not be a perfect solution, it's definitely worth considering for anyone looking to keep their car safe and protected.